Now let us learn the dialogues from chapter 4 and learn to handle some of the daily life situations. First off, über Essen sprechen. That means to talk about food. Anna asks, was isst du gern? Ist is the conjugation of the verb essen when the subject is du. Gern means gladly. Was isst du gern means what do you like to eat? And Max replies, ich esse gern Gemüse. I gladly eat vegetables. Gemüse. Anna asks, magst du Obst? Mögen is a verb and the conjugation of the modal verb mögen when the subject is du is magst. Magst du Obst? Obst means fruits. Max replies, ja, ich liebe Äpfel und Trauben. Yes, I love apples and grapes. Generally speaking, they say, ja, ich mag Äpfel und Trauben. In the next dialogue, we will learn einen Einkauf planen. Einkauf means shopping. In this dialogue, we will learn how to plan shopping. Anna asks, was brauchen wir für den Einkauf? Brauchen means need. What do we need for the shopping? Was brauchen wir für den Einkauf? Max replies, wir brauchen Gemüse und Obst. We need vegetables and fruits. Anna asks, sollen wir Brot kaufen? Max replies, ja, ein frisches Brot bitte. Yes, a fresh bread please. Now let us learn a typical conversation while shopping. Gespräche beim Einkauf führen. Gespräche means conversations. Beim Einkauf means while shopping. Führen means to lead. To lead conversations while shopping. Anna asks, wie viel kosten die Äpfel? How much do the apples cost? Max replies, die Äpfel kosten 3 Euro. Remember, it is Euro and not Euro, because EU anywhere in the word should be pronounced as Oi. Die Äpfel kosten 3 Euro. The apples cost 3 Euros. Anna asks, sind die Tomaten frisch? Are the tomatoes fresh? Max replies, ja, sehr frisch. Yes, very fresh. Anna asks, haben Sie auch Vollkornbrot? Vollkornbrot is similar to multigrain bread. So Anna asks, do you have multigrain bread? Max says, ja, hier ist es. Yes, here it is. Anna asks, wo finde ich die Milch? Where do I find milk? Max replies, the milch is im Kühlregal. Now let us learn the conversations while eating. Gespräche beim Essen führen. How to lead conversations while eating. Anna asks, wie findest du das Essen? How do you find the food? Max says, sehr lecker. Lecker means tasty. Remember, lecker is an adjective. Also, there is a verb called schmecken. Schmecken means to taste. Anna asks, was möchtest du bestellen? Möchtest du, would you like? Bestellen means to order. What would you like to order? Max replies, ich möchte eine Suppe. I would like a soup. Anna replies, möchtest du einen Kaffee? Would you like a coffee? Max replies, ja, einen Cappuccino bitte. Anna asks, ist die Speisekarte gut? Speisekarte is the menu card. Is the menu card good? Max replies, ja, viele gute Gerichte. Yes, many good dishes.